Hey there, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So Factor Notes sent me two of their beautiful journals and their brand new 2021 planner. So I thought of unboxing this package in front of you guys and show everything to you. The journals are so beautiful and the planner is just so amazing. So I will review the planner and show everything to you guys. Now if you watch my videos, then you would know that I make my own bullet journal spreads for every single month and I create a cover picture and everything. So I'm really into all of these things and planning. So a planner is such a great way to do all of this, and I think this planner is going to be so helpful. Plus it's so pretty and beautiful and so functional. So I'm really excited to show everything to you guys. So if you like what you see so far, then definitely consider subscribing and hit the like button. Alright, so now let's get started. So the very first page of the planner is all about who the planner belongs to. So you are going to write your name and you can also stick your picture as a thumbnail, which is so cool. And the next part is all about writing down the 5 most important goals that you want to set for yourself. I think it's such a great way to start your year. Next we have a vision board and a mind map. So a vision board is great when you want to manifest your dreams and goals, so you know what you exactly want, and a mind map is really good for you to know where you are emotionally and mentally. The next 2 pages are provided for you to write down your favorite quotes and the days that you want to remember. Such a nice way to record everything that you read in your last year. Now this is such a lovely spread. So this is your improvement plan and you can write your improvement strategy for your body and relationship, work and mind. So improvement is so important and having a strategy is always a good idea. The next page is about writing a letter to your future self. So you have to write a letter to your 31st December 2021 self. So this is such a good way na. So when the year will end and you will read your letter, you will know how much you have improved and grown. Now rarely do we take out the time to get to know ourselves, and it is so important to know who you are. So here you have 20 questions that you have to answer about yourself, and it is titled as I, Me, Myself. The questions are amazing, and by answering these questions you will explore yourself and you will get to know yourself. Next you get a My Meal Plan spread, which is all about planning your meals for your breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and you get it for every single day of the week. And it is followed by My Ideal Day in 2021, so you can determine the routine that you want for yourself, and accordingly you also get a My Ideal Week in 2021 spread. And then we get the 2021 year calendar, and there is a page so you can write any important notes. And the year finally begins, Hello January, with a beautiful quotation. So you get such covers for every month, and I used to create such covers for my bullet journal, but now I don't have to since this planner will get me covered. And then you have the monthly planner, so you can plan your month and have everything in front of your eyes so that you can visualize how you want your month to go by. Then you have your budget plan and your shopping list, so you can plan your budget and plan what are the things that you have to buy. You can write your grocery list, and if you are a student then you can write every other thing that you have to buy. So I think this is pretty wholesome. And then the week begins, and first you have this doodle your feelings part where you can write everything that you are feeling at the beginning of the month. And with every week you get this kind of spread where you can track your habits. There are 6 habits that you can track, and you can write your priorities and everything. So there is a lot of space to write everything and to record everything. So the weekly spread is similar for every single month, and the monthly covers are so pretty. I will show some of my favorites. April is one of my favorites. Honestly, every single month cover is so pretty, but since purple and green are my favorites, so I have a soft corner. So April is so pretty, and I am also loving the quotes, by the way. The May one is so nice. It's such a beautiful light green kind of color. And other than May, I also love June, July, September, December. Oh my god, every single month is so pretty. But yes, November was really pretty. I will show you the November cover as well, and you will know why I'm talking about it so much. See, the November one is so pretty. Namaste November, such a beautiful color. And yes, be kind to yourself. Just please be kind to yourself, it's so important. And at the end we have some comics. These comics are so cute and so funny, so it's such a nice way to end the planner, and then you get some extra pages in case you have to doodle or write anything. But the best part is yet to come. So here we have this pouch where you will get some stickers that you can use while you are writing in your planner, and these stickers are so beautiful and cute. I really love the thankful one, the bloom one, and the hearts. Then we have some words as well that you can use while you are doodling anything. The soul one, the positivity one, all of these stickers are so cute. Then we have the to do, big day, important, urgent, these stickers that you can use while you are planning anything. And I really love the heart emoji over here and the message one as well. Other than these, I also loved the progress bar one. You can see it on the left one. There is this progress bar sticker which is so cool. And the focus one, the watermelon heart, every single sticker is so pretty and cute. I feel like writing right now. So I think this pouch is also so helpful. You will not lose your stickers and everything will stay in one place. So this was the 2021 planner, and this comes at the price of rupees 999. If you are interested and want to purchase it, the link will be given in the description box. Click on it and buy it. Now it's very important to know whether the pages will bleed or not, and that's why I'm going to use different kind of highlighters and pens to see if the pages can withhold the intensity of these colors or not. So first I have the a Camlin brush pen that was in the color red. Then we have the Faber-Castell highlighter, the green one. Then the Stabilo Boss purple highlighter. Then these sketch pens, connector sketch pens from Faber-Castell. And then I have the Staedtler brush pen, and this is very pigmented. Actually all of them are very pigmented. And lastly I will also try the Octane Classmate black pen because I use this pen all the time, and this is very pigmented and dark. So let's see if the pages are good enough with these colors or not. Alright, now let's turn the page over and see how the page did with all these colors. And as you can see, it's clean, the colors did not bleed, and they did not leak at all. So I think the pages are pretty good for every single color. Other than the planner, I also received this magic unicorn journal, and this is a dotted journal and the pages are dotted as I told you. So this is how it looks like. The pages are actually very thick, so they can withstand any color, and the cover is so pretty. I really love the color and the print. And similarly, we have another journal that has this exclamation symbol over it. It's a pretty yellow color, and these journals are actually pretty thick and they are actually so good quality. Like the cover and the pages, the quality is absolutely premium, and I cannot stress this enough, guys. So that was all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you are notified with all the future updates, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. By the way, I forgot to mention that all the links will be given in the description box for all these 3 journals. You can buy any variants of these journals, so definitely check them out.